Really, someone told me that really I think this law, two questions come in my mind. Whether this act permits the authority to misuse this act.
No.
Otherwise, so there is now Manorama let's take example Manorama case. It took place in 2004, but it's still I guess those persons, those culprits who are involved in these cases have not punished till now. So where is the wrong in the mechanism of the
Law doesn't work.
Yeah, I think it's like two kinds of things which is happening with the discussion also. Right? One, you can look at the law itself. Right? You can look at what is possible within it. This is where your question is coming, and he's clearly saying the law itself doesn't allow it. But what happens in practice then is not just the law. It's the politics. Right? It's all the power relations that are there in society finally decide how the law is being implemented. Right? So law, in fact, is important. It's not that it's irrelevant, but it's not all. So in some sense, we are arguing on two aspects. One on law itself, AFSPA as a law, but more broadly on the political economy of the situation where AFSPA has one very influential role, which is not the role it's claiming, not the role that the law is claiming as it is written, but it has a broader political role. Right? So in a sense, the law doesn't allow it, no. But then you're asking the question, why is it happening then? And what we are trying to say is that, or at least what I'm trying to say at least, is that you cannot understand what is happening there just by looking at AFSPA. There's all these other things that we're talking about, that we're hinting at, maybe not talking about in as much detail, that's actually affecting what's happening in practice. Doesn't mean AFSPA is irrelevant, it's relevant, but it's one of the things that go into this explanation of what's happening there.
any other